Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the rest part of the sentence, that is what? Compound sentence. Okay? Compound sentence. Okay, so yesterday also I have discussed about that. Okay? First, I have also told you what the clause is. Okay? So, what is the clause? So, clause is a clause is a sentence or part of a sentence where there is a finite verb in predicate part. Okay, so in the predicate part there will be a finite verb. Finite verb means there will be the tense form. That is called what? That is called what? A clause. So clause also divided into two types. Also I have told you that the first clause is what? It is known as what? Main clause. Okay. Main clause MC and subordinate clause what? SC. SC is known as what? Dependent clause, and main clause is known as what? Independent clause. And main clause also known as what? The principal clause or head clause. Okay. It is called dependent clause, dependent and independent. Okay. Independent. Okay. So as to then also we have discussed about what the sentence after clause. I have also discussed in the previous class that what, that is the sentence. Okay, so I have told you that a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Complete sense. Okay. Which has the complete sense is called what? Sentence. Like Raja is eating what? Meat. Okay. So here the all words Raja is eating and meat all are what? Joined with each other with the sense of a thing. Okay. So here Raja is what? Raja is eating meat also a sentence, and if we say he has taken my book. Okay, so these are the examples of sentence. Okay, also I have discussed in the previous class that what is the what are the types of sentences. Okay, so in order to know that type of sentence, also I have also made the similar diagram yesterday. That is what first we see the what a sentence is in three form. That is what these are simple sentence, then compound sentence, okay, then what? Complex sentence, simple, compound, complex, okay. And also I have explained about what the simple sentence in previous classes. So today also I am discussing once again for 1 or 2 minutes about what simple sentence. After then we will go through compound sentence. Okay. So a simple sentence is what, in which sentence we see only one clause, that is main clause, means independent clause. That is called what? That is called simple sentence. So there is one clause, that is main clause. Okay, main clause does not depend upon any other clauses. Okay, so we should write I have made a mistake. Okay, here I is what subject, then have made a mistake, it is what predicate. In predicate part there is what verb, and tense form it is present perfect tense, so it is also a clause and that is main clause, so it is simple sentence and it does not depend upon any other clause, and it also stand itself. Okay, so then we see come here also simple sentence, as come here means you come here. You is also here, what you is means hiding here, because it is the imperfect sentence and you is subject here. So after subject predicate is what come here, and come also simple present tense. Okay, so this is the example of simple present tense, and also I have discussed before that what the types of simple types of simple sentence. First we see what this is the declarative sentence types. Okay, types. Declarative also I have told you, declarative sentence. Okay, then what after declarative, number 2 is what interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Okay, then we see what exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, exclamatory sentence. Okay, then number 4 or last number is what exclamatory declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, then imperative sentence. Imperative what sentence. Okay, imperative sentence. Okay, so these are the 4 types of sentences. Also I am giving some example to you now, but I have also discussed that. Declarative means it is affirmative and negative in nature. So we shall write the examples of declarative sentences. Sohan has put on a new dress. Okay, then we can also write in this way. Sohan hasn't put on what a new dress. This is also these 2 examples are from declarative sentence. And interrogative also you have known yes no interrogative and WH interrogative. Who, what, whose. These are the WH interrogative, and also the auxiliary verb interrogative is what known as what yes no interrogative. So you can write will see come here. Also what in example of interrogative sentence. Then also you can write when we see come here. Also what in examples of interrogative. Then we will see the exclamatory sentence. Also you have known what a beautiful flower it is exclamation mark. Okay, so this is the examples of exclamation mark. What a beautiful flower it is, and how clever that boy is. Or we can also use in exclamatory what and how, and in the last we have what used exclamation mark. Okay, then we should know about what are the imperative sentences examples, and also you have known that interrogative sentences come here, go there, open the door, or only come, go. Okay, go there. Okay, stand up. Okay, stand up. Means you stand up. Come means you come. Go there means you go there. Only we can also write go, come, stand, etc. for the imperative sentences examples. Then we should discuss about what kinds of or types, not types or not kind. That is the what? That the patterns of simple sentence. Patterns. Okay. There are 7 patterns of simple sentence. Also I have discussed in the last classes. Okay. So what are the 7 patterns? Patterns of simple sentence. Patterns of simple sentence. Okay, patterns of simple sentence. First we see what subject plus verb. Subject plus verb means what? S plus V. Okay, so I will also giving an example. Then C comes. C comes here. C is your subject and verb is what? Comes. Then subject verb object. Subject verb. Okay. Then object. Okay. Subject verb object. C is reading a book. Okay. Here subject, then verb, here object also here. Okay. Then subject verb object plus object means direct object or indirect object. My father gave some food to the beggar. Here subject verb or object. Then subject verb object complement. Then subject verb then complement. Then subject verb adjunct. Then subject verb object then adjunct. Okay, so in this way we knew that the 7 patterns of simple sentence. Okay, so in order to know the compound sentence, before we have discussed what are the simple sentence, then we see what is the compound sentence. Okay, so what is the compound sentence? Compound sentence is very easy from the simple sentence, and it is said that all simple things are what? Difficult. So in the simple sentence, so many things were there, but we see what in the compound sentence. What is the compound sentence? Compound sentence means what? In which sentence? In which sentence? There are two main clauses. Or main clause means what? Simple sentence means two simple sentence. Two main clause or two simple sentence. Two simple sentence. Okay. Joined with coordinating conjunction. Okay, conjunction is called as compound sentence. Okay, compound sentence means what? If we see two main clauses are joined with what? Coordinating conjunctions. Who are the coordinating conjunctions, sir? And you have also known in the conjunction the part of speech. But the fan boy is also there. Fan boy is also there. A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Then after that, not only but also, not only but also. It is also for what? Correlative conjunctions. Okay, both and neither nor or neither nor. Okay, then either of or either or no less than rather than as nevertheless. Okay, nevertheless. Okay, whether or. Okay, so these are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Okay, coordinating conjunctions. So we knew that what compound sentence says that it has two main clause and that joined with what? Coordinating conjunction. Or you can say that if two simple sentences are joined with the coordinating conjunctions, okay, so it is called what? Compound sentence. And we should also regarding that. Okay, first we see the examples of compound sentence. Okay, the examples of compound sentence. Okay, examples. Okay, so first we see neither Raja or Rani went to market. Okay, here also means what? If we subtracting the two or comparing the two, we see what Raja went to market, then Raja did not go to market, then Rani did not go to market. These two are the simple sentences, or the two are the main clause, and joining with which word? Joining with neither nor. Okay, so it is the what? Compound sentence example. Then you can say either I or my friend will eat that cake. Okay, so here also either I or my friend will eat that cake means what? It is said that I will or I shall eat that cake. That is the main clause. Then another main clause is what? My friend will eat that what? Cake. Okay. Here the two main clause joined with whom? Joined with what? Joined with either or. Okay. So it is also the examples of what? Compound sentence. Okay. Then also we can example both hand. My friend is clever. Okay, I am also erasing the examples. Okay. My friend is both clever and hardworking. Okay. My friend is both clever or and hardworking. Hardworking. Okay. So here my friend is clever and my friend is hardworking. The two sentences joined with what? My friend is both clever and hardworking. Here and both and the what? Co-ordinary conjunction or correlative conjunction. Then also we see from the simple example we see. Okay, he finished his exercise and he put his book. He finished his exercises and put and closed his book. Okay, here he finished his exercise. It is what? Main clause. And he closed his book, also main clause. And that main clause also joined with what? The conjunction and is the what? Fan voice conjunction also you have known. A for pair, A for and A for and. That is and means this is the what? Coordinating conjunction. So these are the examples of what? Compound sentence, and so many examples are there, and they are very simple examples. And if you have regarding some doubt about what compound sentence or simple sentence, you can also ask me. And in the next classes also we will discuss about what the complex sentence, that is the rest sentence, that is what complex sentence. So that is all for my side, and in the next class we will discuss the other things. Thanks a lot.